For centuries, people have debated the shape of our planet. This debate has spanned across cultures and civilizations, with many ancient societies having their own theories and beliefs. Is it flat like a pancake? This idea was once widely accepted in many parts of the world. Or is it round like a ball? The concept of a spherical Earth was proposed by ancient Greek philosophers. Today we know that the Earth is not flat. Modern science has provided us with overwhelming evidence. We have scientific evidence that proves our planet is a sphere. This includes data from various fields such as astronomy, physics, and geology. But the idea of a flat Earth still exists. Some people continue to believe in this outdated theory. Let's explore the facts and understand why our Earth is definitely round. The evidence is not just theoretical, but also visual. We have pictures from space showing our blue planet floating in the vast darkness. These images are clear and undeniable. We've sent people into orbit who have seen the curvature of the Earth with their own eyes. Their testimonies are invaluable. These are not tricks or conspiracies. The scientific community has thoroughly debunked flat Earth theories. They are real observations and concrete proof. The data collected is consistent and reliable. So how can we be sure the Earth is a sphere? Let's look at the evidence in more detail. Let's delve into the evidence. We'll explore gravity, which pulls objects towards the center of the Earth, creating a spherical shape. Examine ships sailing over the horizon which disappear bottom first, indicating a curved surface, and trace the paths of airplanes around the globe. These flight paths make sense only on a spherical Earth. We'll even look at the stars above. The way stars move and are observed from different points on Earth supports a round planet, and how they tell the story of a round Earth. The constellations change as one moves north or south, further proving the Earth's curvature. One of the biggest clues about Earth's shape is gravity. Gravity is a fundamental force that affects everything on our planet. Gravity is the force that pulls everything towards the center of an object. It's what keeps us grounded and makes sure we don't float off into space. On a spherical Earth, gravity pulls everything towards the core. This uniform pull is what gives us a sense of balance and stability. This means no matter where you stand, you're being pulled towards the center of the Earth with the same force. Whether you're in the North Pole or the equator, gravity acts consistently. If the Earth were flat, gravity would work very differently. The gravitational pull would not be uniform. It would pull everything towards the middle of the flat surface. This would create a very different experience of gravity. This would make things very strange. Everyday activities would become challenging and disorienting. The further you moved away from the center, the more you would feel gravity pulling you sideways. This would make walking and standing very difficult. Think about it. If you were standing at the edge of a flat Earth, you'd feel like you were constantly walking uphill. It would be an exhausting experience. Objects would roll towards the center of the flat surface, and it would be almost impossible to stand upright at the edges. Everyday life would be a constant struggle. Thankfully, that's not how the world works. Our spherical Earth provides a consistent gravitational pull, allowing us to live and move comfortably. Have you ever watched a ship sail away from the shore? If you have, you've witnessed evidence of Earth's curvature. As a ship sails away, it doesn't just get smaller and smaller until it disappears. Instead, it slowly seems to sink below the horizon. This happens because the Earth is curved. The ship is gradually moving over the curve of the Earth, and our view is blocked by the water. If the Earth were flat, the ship would simply get smaller and smaller until we couldn't see it anymore. It wouldn't disappear hull first. This simple observation, which anyone can make at the coast, is a clear indication that the surface of the Earth is not flat. It's a curve that we can witness with our own eyes. Section 4, taking flight. How airplanes prove a round Earth. Airplanes offer another compelling piece of evidence that the Earth is round. When airplanes fly long distances, they don't fly in a straight line as one might expect. Instead, they fly in a curved path, which is known as a great circle route. This is because the Earth is curved, and the shortest distance between 2 points on a sphere is a curve, not a straight line. If the Earth were flat, airplanes could simply fly in a straight line to their destination. But they don't, because the Earth isn't flat. They fly in a curved path, following the natural curvature of the Earth, which is essential for efficient travel. This is why flights from North America to Europe often fly over Greenland, even though it seems like a detour on a flat map. The curved path is actually shorter. Pilots also take the Earth's curvature into account when planning their flights, ensuring they follow the most efficient route. They know that they need to adjust their altitude and direction to stay on course and account for the Earth's shape, making sure they reach their destination safely and efficiently. Section 5. Eyes in the sky, satellites and the shape of our world. Perhaps the most convincing evidence of Earth's roundness comes from space. Satellites orbit our planet, sending back images and data. These images clearly show that the Earth is a sphere. We can see the curvature of the Earth in these images, and we can even see the Earth rotating on its axis. If the Earth were flat, satellites wouldn't be able to orbit in the way that they do. They would either fly off into space or crash into the Earth. The fact that satellites can orbit the Earth is proof that our planet is a sphere. These satellites are not just taking pretty pictures. They provide us with communication, navigation, weather forecasting, and help us understand our planet better, all thanks to their orbits around our spherical Earth. Like and subscribe for more fun facts.